Hi. In this video, we'll take a look at how you can set up booking notifications via Telegram using SimplyBook.me. This will give your clients the option to subscribe to your Telegram bot so they can receive their booking-related notifications directly in Telegram. Let's start by navigating to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account to enable Telegram notifications. Please click the bot footer link to set up your Telegram bot. Now click Send Message to open the bot in your Telegram app. You can click the New Bot command to create a new bot. You will then be prompted to add a name and a username for your bot. Now you can copy the token, paste it into the designated field back in the settings of the custom feature, and save changes. To subscribe to your channel, your clients can click Subscribe to Notifications on the booking confirmation page, copy the digit code and scan the QR code, or manually navigate to your channel in the Telegram app. Here they can click Start, choose Subscribe, and enter the digit code from the Subscribe to Notifications pop-up window. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.